Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what we believe is the best scratch mitten set for newborns, the Pro Goleem 6-pack Muslin Baby Mittens. These 100% cotton gloves are designed to be soft, breathable, and most importantly, safe for your little one's delicate hands. Let's dive right into what makes this product a top choice for new parents. The first thing you'll notice is the thoughtful packaging. You get 6 mittens in a neutral palette of brown, beige, and gray, making them perfect for both baby boys and girls. The color choices are gentle and stylish, easy to pair with a variety of baby outfits. But it's not just about looks, functionality is where these mittens shine. Each pair is made from muslin cotton, which is known for being light, breathable, and soft to the touch. Unlike synthetic materials, muslin cotton allows airflow, preventing your baby's hands from getting sweaty or overheated. It's suitable for year-round use, warm enough for winter and breathable enough for warmer seasons. What sets these mittens apart is the elastic strap design. Most mittens rely on loose bands that can easily fall off or get lost. Pro Goleem has introduced a gentle yet snug elasticized wrist that keeps the mittens securely in place without being too tight or leaving marks on your baby's skin. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in day-to-day use. In terms of comfort and usability, the material offers a great stretch, enough for your baby's fingers to wiggle around without restriction. Yet still protective enough to prevent those accidental face scratches that newborns are known for. The stitching is fine and durable, showing attention to quality that's rare in many baby accessories at this price point. Cleaning is another area where these mittens stand out. They're machine and hand washable and maintain their softness even after multiple washes. No fraying, no fading, and no shrinking, something that really matters when you're rotating through baby clothes constantly. A great bonus is the product's commitment to sustainability. These mittens are made with at least 50% recycled materials and certified by the Recycled Claims Standard Blended, making them a responsible choice for eco-conscious parents. The product is currently ranked number 1 in the baby girls gloves and mittens category on Amazon, which speaks volumes about its popularity and trust among customers. It's also one of the rare baby products that successfully blends affordability, aesthetics, comfort, and function. To wrap it up, the Pro Goleem 6-pack Muslin Baby Mittens are more than just scratch prevention gloves. They're a gentle, practical solution crafted with care and designed to make a new parent's life just a bit easier. If you're shopping for newborn essentials, this one's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what baby product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.